Hello, my name is Avjeet Singh. I am the student of Faculty of Engineering and Technology, University of Lucknow. Now I am going to present my seminar topic, Ozone, an alternative to chlorine for water treatment. These are the topics which are covered in the further slides. Introduction, ozone as alternative, what is ozone, properties of ozone, ozone in water treatment, why should we use ozone in water treatment, MS Jana Dolna case study 1 which was done in Poland, case study 2 which was done in Egypt, case study 3 which was done in Tehran, summary of other case studies for water treatment, case study 4 IID India and references. Introduction. In most water treatment plants across the globe, chlorine is used as a primary disinfectant to treat water. At water treatment plants, however, recently suggest that when chlorine reacts with any kinds of organic matter present in the water, it forms byproducts, which includes trihalomethanes such as chloroforms. When trihalomethanes enters the body, they increase the production of free radicals in the body, which are highly carcinogenic. According to the US Council of Environment Quality, Council of Environment Quality, cancer risk among the people using chlorinated water is as much as 93% higher than among those who are not using chlorinated water. Trihalomethanes can cause various types of cancer. Potentially, it increases the cancer risk of the kidney and liver, damage immune system, disorders of the nervous system, hardening of the arteries, and birth defects. Another study published in the American Journal of Public Health estimates about 9% of all bladder cancer and 15% of rectal cancers in USA result from long time consumption of chlorinated water. Chlorinated drinking water can cause cancer, says a study by scientists at the Indian Council of Medical Research. It is challenging to maintain the level of chlorine in water and is more expensive than ozone generators. Case studies of bladder cancer caused by drinking chlorinated water. Case study Cantor, which was done in 1998, location Iowa, USA. Study population 732 cases and 914 population controls. Exposure measurement chlorinated surface water. Kouvsala, which was done in 1998, Finland, and study population 1123 cases and 983 population controls. Substantially mutagenic drinking water. It is the exposure measurement. And other King, which was done in 1996, Ontario, Canada, and study population 696 cases and 1545 population controls. Exposure measurement was chlorinated surface water. McGheen, which was done in 1993, location Colorado, USA, and study population 327 cases and 261 other cancer sites control, which was and exposure measurement was chlorinated water. Ozone as alternative. So now we have to find the alternatives of chlorine. So there is need to find alternative methods of disinfection. Ozone is good oxidant as seen from different studies. In the recent years, the use of ozone has become more popular. Ozone is considered to be the 3000 times more effective than chlorine in terms of disinfection. It can also utilize for natural organic matter degradation and microorganism inactivations. The wastewater needs to be the contact with the ozone just for a short period of time. And the treatment process does not add any chemicals to water, and ozone is better option as alternative to chlorine. What is ozone? Ozone is triatomic allotropes of oxygen having molecular weight 48. Basically, ozone is O3. When UV rays enters into oxygen, UV is energy, and energy is neither created nor be destroyed, so it breaks O2 into two oxygen molecules. Both nascent oxygen become unstable and weakly bonded with another stable oxygen atoms, and it becomes O3. O3 has an annoying problem. It cannot be stored. It has very short life. After few minutes, it will return again in O2. There is no element or chemical which are most powerful in oxidizing agent, but ozone is most powerful in oxidizing agent, and it can create bonds with almost anything. Properties of ozone. Ozone is bluish color gas that has a boiling point 112 degrees centigrade at atmospheric pressure. Ozone can partially dissolve in water at standard pressure and temperature. The solubility of ozone is 13 times that of the oxygen. Ozone is one of the strongest oxidizer available for water treatment, and in the case of ozone, contact time is must. It is able to break down micromolecular compounds constituting the integrity of bacteria, protozoa, fungus. When we taking about basically biology, this takes care about all of us. Bacteria, virus, both are destroyed by it. RO can take care of big protozoa, fungus very easily, but viruses come through it. But in ozone, nothing can pass it, destroy everything. Ozone in water treatment. Ozone in water treatment is using to purify water, destroy bioorganic, and removes many ions. Ozone is highly effective in removing taste, odor, color, fertilizer neutralizer. It can neutralize fertilizer, and it eliminates viruses, bacteria, algae, and fungi. And this table belongs to the application of ozone, application, concentration, and contact time. Reverse osmosis water, concentration 0.3 to 0.5 and contact time 4 to 5. Drinking water 1 to 2 and contact time 5 to 10. Pool water, concentration 0.3 to 0.7 and contact time 1. Seafood wash, concentration 0.1 to 0.15 and contact time 1 to 2. Fruit and vegetable wash 0.2 to 0.4 and contact time 1 to 5. Hydroponics 0.1 to 0.2 and contact time 2 to 5. Cooling tower 0.2 to 0.5 and contact time 2. Pre-surgical wash 3 to 5 and contact time 3 to 5. So why should ozone be used in water treatment? According to the World Health Organization, 3 in 10 people worldwide are facing a shortage of safe drinking water. This is due to the lack of capital and technology to treat municipal and industrial wastewater, and ozone can be injected in adequate amount with proper installation. In water treatment, ozone is more than twice as powerful as chlorine and acts 3000 times faster. Ozone can be used as disinfectant, deodorizer and coagulant. Any pathogens or contaminants that can be disinfected, altered or removed via the oxidation process will be affected by ozone. The ozonation process is completely natural and works via UV radiation from the sun, and it is very effectively used. The water can be completely oxidized in a very short period of time. Ozone is becoming a popular disinfectant for drinking water in several countries, both for its proven efficiency in destroying germs and because it does not leaves derivatives and residuals of any kind. But unfortunately, in India, the practice of using ozone is residential level and has not yet started. In the near future, India has to adopt the ozone technology as it is most effective method for eliminating waterborne disease. Now case study 1, which was done in Poland, MS Jana Dolna case study. The current requirement for drinking water often take ozone treatment necessary. Drinking water is provided by containerized water treatment plant constructed in 2016 with a nominal capacity of 15 meter cube per hour. The unit cost of water amounted to 0.59 and 0.77 euro per meter cube in 2017. Containerized water treatment plant in MS Jana Dolna is a small station. Hence, the matter of the cost of the water treatment with ozone is highly relevant, and the process was highly efficient and water production costs were acceptable. And it was done on the basis of a small station, and it works to treat to disinfect the water. Case study second, which was done in Egypt using of ozone instead of chlorine in a typical water treatment plant in Egypt. In Egypt, the Mansoura city main water treatment plant has been taken as a case study, and the concentration time for both chlorine and ozone for cryptosporidium inactivation. Cryptosporidium is a diarrheal disease caused by microscopic parasites. Cryptosporidium that can live in the intestine of human and animals and is passed in the stool of an unaffected person or animals. And it is represented as a graphically and in correlation form. In this case study, ozone gas is generated in the site with air as feed gas, and its handling is safe. If we not generated on the site, it can reacts, and it easily converts into the oxygen, and the power consumption is proportional to the generator size. Ozone disinfection power depends not only on its concentration in the treated water but also on the contact time and water temperature. The concentration time value is an important measure for a certain amount of disinfections. Operating cost for chlorine 0.162 euro per meter cube and cost for ozone 0.20 euro per meter cube. And this figure is belongs to the main process of the typical water treatment plant in Egypt. Raw water taken from source, and after that pre-oxidation of chlorine, pre-oxidation by chlorine, and then adding alum, coagulation, flocculation, then sedimentation, and next step sand filters, and post treatment chlorine and treated water. These tables belongs to the concentration and differentiate between chlorine and ozone. And figure 2 is belongs to the difference of the chlorine and ozone for cryptosporidium inactivation. Now next case study, third, which was done in Tehran. Application of ozonation in drinking water disinfection. This study was performed between April and September 2005, and the Tehran water treatment plant was taken to consideration as the case study. This water treatment plant is located in northeast of Tehran, and its water source from Lar and Jajrud rivers. Both are the rivers which are present in the Tehran, and the water source contaminations, especially in surface water, which is in closer contact with different pollutants. Adding chlorine to water can cause some adverse impact on the residential users. This study aimed to explain the drinking water ozonation process, opportunities and threats. In this study, the use of ozone is analyzed through SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunity and threat methods. And due to this analysis, it is proved that ozonation is better than chlorination. Use of ozone as an effective disinfectant is being considered in this study. Different strengths, weakness, opportunities and threats of the proposed options of using ozone in water disinfection in Tehran Pars water treatment plant. Tehran Pars is the name of water treatment plant, which is located in Tehran. In comparison of chlorine, ozone increases the filtration efficiency up to 50% in the comparison of chlorine. The use of ozone as another alternative was taken into consideration for disinfection of water treatment of drinking water in this city. Now summary of other case studies for water disinfections. Case study: ozonation process, objective of ozonation, type of ozonation and other informations. Now first case study, which was done in 2004, AH Weeks water treatment plants, Windsor, Canada. Ozonation process was pre-ozone, and objective of ozonation: cryptosporidium and giardia control. These are the disease. These both are the disease, and typical ozonation conditions 1 to 3.5 milligram per liter. And next case study was done in 2010, Clusium water treatment plants, Belgium. Ozonation procedure was based on post-ozone, and objective of ozonation: disinfection, test and odor removal, biostabilizations, and typical ozonation conditions was 2.5 milligram per liter. Next case study was done in 2008 in Canada, and it is based on the next case study was done in 2008. It is done on the basis of post-ozone, and objective of ozonation: disinfections, and typical ozonation conditions 2.2 milligram per liter. And last case study, not last in my slide, last case study, Orly water treatment plants, Paris, France. It is done in 2004, and it was based on the pre and post ozonation. Objective of ozonation: disinfection, test and odor removal, biostabilizations. Typical ozonation condition: minimum concentration set at 1.6 milligram per minute per liter, 11 to 20 minute contact time. Now removal of iron and manganese by ozonation in various case studies. Uh, these are the water sources, average doses, contact time, process efficiency. First water source, groundwater, average dose of ozone 0.1 milligram per liter, and contact time of ozone 2 minutes plus 2 minutes. And what was the process efficiency? That iron removed 80% and manganese removed more than 50%. River water, next source was river water, average dose 0.5 milligram per liter and maximum 1.9 milligram per liter. Contact time of ozone 3 minutes plus 5 minutes, and process efficiency was concentrations below detection limit. Reservoir water, average dose 0.8 to 1.3 milligram per liter, or contact time not available in this source, and process efficiency was iron removed 99% and manganese removed 85%. Reservoir water, average dose 0.8 to 1.3 milligram per liter, contact time 2 minutes, and process efficiency was removed 50 microgram per liter, more than 50, less than 50 microgram per liter. Now, next case study, fourth, use of ozone in water treatment, IIT India. This paper summarized the application of ozone as alternative disinfectant to chlorine in water treatment. Ozone treatment also reduces naturally occurring organic compounds such as humic acid and algal metabolites. The concentration value for deactivations of cryptosporidium by chlorine varies between 3000 and 4000 milligram minute per liter for 1 log deactivation. 1 log is a table of deactivation of cryptosporidium. The concentration value of disinfection rate of the Giardia crystal cryptosporidium is also much lower for ozone in comparison with chlorine. A case study conducted in Dhayafule Spinning Mills Private Limited, which is located in Solapur, to check the feasibility of using ozone as primary disinfectants. Next, summary of COD reduction by ozone treatment. These are the sources: ozone dosage and initial COD and final COD reduction. Gardner and Montgomery, which was done in 1968. Ozone dose 5 to 41 milligram per liter. Initial COD 26 to 56 milligram per liter, and final COD reduction of approximately 50% ozone dose. And Naval, which was done in 1973, ozone dose 12 to 16, initial COD 20 to 40, and reduction 23%. Next, which was done in 1983, ozone dose 6 to 9, initial COD 20 to 35, final COD and 15 to 30 milligram per liter. And next, source was taken from Legube in 1987. Ozone dose 6 to 12, initial COD 33 to 75 milligram per liter, and reduction 25%. FC 1993, ozone dose 14 milligram per liter, initial COD 40 to 170 milligram per liter, and reduction 5%. In the source Tofani and Richard 1995, ozone dose 20, initial COD 120 to 200, and reduction 30 to 50. And next, in 1997, ozone dose 15, initial COD 20 mg per liter, final COD 13 mg per liter, reduction 33%. Now next, summary of BOD changes after ozone treatment. Source: Gardner, Montgomery, in 1968. Ozone dose 6 to 21, initial BOD 4 mg per liter, final BOD 5 to 6. And Nebel 1973, 12 to 16 mg ozone dose, initial BOD 10 to 25 mg per liter, and reduction 15%. Legube 1987, 6 to 12 mg per liter ozone dose, adding, and initial BOD was 5 to 23 mg per liter, and reduction 50%. FC 1993, 18 mg per liter ozone dose taken, initial BOD 26 to 48 mg per liter, and reduction -4%. These are the references which is taken in this PPT. Thank you.